Welcome back, and surprise, surprise, we're going hiking. This hike is Lower Calf Creek Falls near Escalante, Utah, and it was really beautiful. It's a fun mix of the red desert and the sand and the tall cliffs. The further down the trail you get, the closer you get to the creek and the falls, the more green and lush it gets, and you actually get a little bit of shade. This hike was super hot, but not particularly long, and you do get the reprieve of the waterfall at the bottom of the hike, so you can take a dip, cool off, eat some lunch, and then make your way back up out of the canyon. I loved staring up at the canyon walls on this hike. Just the red contrasted with all the green and the water around it was just really beautiful. And of course we had blue skies, the sun was shining, beating down on us a little bit. It was quite toasty, but overall just stunning. Definitely make sure to fill up your water bottle before you head down. The first couple of miles are dry and toasty. There is a spigot near the top of the trailhead labeled water, so it's quite easy to find, so fill up there. And then if you've got a water filter, you could fill up down again by the falls. The falls at the bottom of the hike are really beautiful. The water is extra cold, so be prepared for that, but very refreshing after hiking around in the hot sun and the dry desert. We wrapped up the hike and continued our drive through Escalante. Until next time, leave a comment with your favorite hiking place, like this video, and subscribe to the channel for some cool updates coming up. Okay, bye. Look at it out here. It's so beautiful. I've had such a fun time driving around down here because it's incredible. Like everywhere you look.